Number 2. The O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System with 3 extra refills is a highly efficient and versatile cleaning tool that offers exceptional convenience and effectiveness in maintaining the cleanliness of your floors. With its innovative design and thoughtful features, this product has gained significant popularity among homeowners and cleaning professionals alike. Measuring at 19.5 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, and weighing 5.54 pounds. This mop and bucket system strikes a perfect balance between being lightweight and sturdy. It is easy to maneuver, allowing you to effortlessly clean various types of flooring surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. The thoughtfully designed dimensions ensure that it can reach and clean even the hard-to-reach areas in your home. Manufactured by Freudenberg Household Products in the USA, the O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber